Hello everyone. Welcome to all of you in FFB Live Chemistry classes. एमीन्स के बारे में डिस्कस चल रहा था। पिछले 2 क्लास में हमने जनरल इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट एमीन्स और मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एमीन्स इस पे डिस्कस किया था। एमीन्स क्या है? ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स कंटेनिंग एमिनो ग्रुप और नाइट्रोजन जिन कंपाउंड्स में प्रेजेंट है उनके बारे में स्टडी चल रही है। तो नाइट्रो कंपाउंड्स के बाद एमीन्स पे डिस्कशन हो रहा है। तो पिछले 2 वीडियो में काफ़ी कुछ जान चुके हो एमीन्स के बारे में। आज हम फिजिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एमीन्स पे डिस्कस करेंगे। दोनों ही तरह की एमीन्स, चाहे वो एलिफैटिक हो या एरोमेटिक हो। तो आज के क्लास का टॉपिक यही है, फिजिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एमीन्स। Now, first we discuss physical properties of amines. सबसे पहले physical state and smell. Lower aliphatic amines like methylamine and ethylamine are gases and possess a characteristic ammonia-like smell, which is fishy odor, while higher members are liquids among aryl amines. Aryl amines means aromatic amines. The lower members are liquid while higher members are solid. These are the physical state and smell. Aniline and other lower aromatic amines are colorless, oily liquids in pure form. On standing, the color becomes dark brown due to action of air and light. Aromatic amines are generally toxic in nature and have characteristic unpleasant odor. Second point is boiling point. The boiling points are gradually increase with increase of molecular mass. Amines are polar compounds like NH3 and have comparatively higher boiling points than non-polar compounds of similar molecular masses. This is due to the presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding except tertiary amines. टर्शरी एमीन में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग नहीं होता क्योंकि टर्शरी एमीन्स के पास कोई हाइड्रोजन नहीं होता। ये इस तरह से हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बना रहे हैं। नाइट्रोजन जो है ये मोर इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव है हाइड्रोजन से। तो एमीन्स जो प्राइमरी एमीन सेकेंड और सेकेंडरी एमीन इस तरह का हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बनाते हैं जिससे कि बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इनका बढ़ जाता है। However, amines have lower boiling point than those of corresponding alcohols or carboxylic acid. This is due to the fact that the electronegativity of nitrogen is lower than that of oxygen. NH bond in amines is less polar than OH bond in alcohols. Therefore, amines form weaker hydrogen bond as compared to alcohol and carboxylic acid, and hence the boiling points of amines are lower than those of alcohol and carboxylic acid of comparable molecular masses. Some examples are here. एथिलेमीन मॉलिक्यूलर मास 45 है, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इसका 293, जबकि प्रोपेन जिसका कि मॉलिक्यूलर मास 44 है और इसका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट काफ़ी कम होता है क्योंकि यहाँ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग प्रेजेंट नहीं है, तो इसका 231। एल्कोहल मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑलमोस्ट सेम है लेकिन इसका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट स्ट्रॉन्ग हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग की वजह से बहुत हाई होता है, 351। और स्ट्रॉन्ग हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होती है फॉर्मिक कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में। तो यह एग्जांपल है फॉर्मिक एसिड जिसका मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑलमोस्ट सेम है लेकिन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इसका इन सबसे बहुत ज़्यादा है ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग in formic acid. Acetaldehyde और इथेनॉल मॉलिक्यूलर मास 44, इसका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑलमोस्ट एमीन के बराबर है, जबकि एसीटोन का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट सबसे यहाँ पे सबसे कम तो नहीं है, लेकिन इन सबसे इससे दोनों से कम है. Among the isomeric amines, the boiling points are in the order given below. प्राइमरी एमीन का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट सबसे ज़्यादा होता है और उसके बाद सेकेंडरी ड्यू टू हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग एंड टर्शरी एमीन्स का सबसे कम होता है. प्राइमरी एमीन है ये प्रोपेन 1 एमाइन, जिसका की बॉइलिंग पॉइंट है 233 केल्विन, जबकि सेकेंडरी एमीन का 307 और टर्शरी एमीन का 276. दिस इज ड्यू टू मोर एग्जिस्टिव hydrogen bonding in 1 degree amine than 2 degree amine, while 3 degree amine have no hydrogen bonding. Now solubility. Aliphatic amines are soluble in water. This is due to the hydrogen bonding between amine and water molecules. Amines are also soluble in benzene and ether. यहाँ भी हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होती है वाटर के साथ एमीन्स की, जिसके वजह से एलिफैटिक एमीन सॉल्युबल होते हैं इन वाटर में. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग बिटवीन एमीन एंड वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स, ये 3 डॉटेड लाइन से जो होता है, ये क्या होता है, हाइड्रोजन और इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव एलिमेंट्स के बीच हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग को शो करता है. सॉल्युबिलिटी डिक्रीज विद इंक्रीज ऑफ मॉलिक्यूलर मॉस. Now come on physicochemical properties of amines. All the 3 classes of amines, 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree, have lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom. Structure में देख चुके हो इसको, which makes them react as a nucleophile or as a base. Now reaction with acid. अब ये बेस की तरह जो बेसिक कैरेक्टर शो करने के रिएक्शन है, ये फर्स्ट है रिएक्शन विद एसिड्स और सॉल्ट फॉर्मेशन. Amines reacts with aqueous solution of mineral acid to form salt. These reactions support the basic nature of amine like this. Alkylamine reacts with acid, it forms alkyl ammonium chloride. This is the salt. For example, ethylamine 1 degree amine reacts with HCl to form ethyl ammonium chloride. This is the salt, or this is the basic character of any compound. 1 degree amine when reacts with sulfuric acid is formed alkyl ammonium sulfate. 2 degree amine reacts with sulfuric acid to form dialkyl ammonium sulfate. These are the salts. And second degree 2 degree amine diethylamine. This is the example. These are the general reactions. Reacts with HCl to form a dimethyl ammonium chloride. Now tertiary amine when reacts with nitric acid, it forms trialkyl ammonium nitrate, for example. And for example of aromatic amine, this is aniline reacts with concentrate HCl to form anilinium chloride. This is the salt. Now aniline reacts with concentrate H2SO4, it forms aniline sulfate. And aniline with chloroplatinic acid, it forms aniline platinic chloride. These all are the salts. This is the aromatic amine known as aniline. Now reaction with water. Reaction with water shows the nature of aqueous solution of amine. Due to presence of a lone pair of electron on the nitrogen atom, amines like ammonia are stronger base than water. Therefore, they combine with water to form alkyl or aryl ammonium hydroxide. These anions to give hydroxide ion in solution. That is, the aqueous solution of amines are basic in nature. The reaction is here. 1 degree amine reacts with HOH which and form alkyl ammonium hydroxide like ammonium hydroxide, which gives on hydrolysis positive ion and hydroxyl ion. This shows the basic character of amines. Now 2-degree amine reacts with water or dissolve in water. It forms dialkyl ammonium hydroxide and dissociate into dialkyl amine ion, positive ion and hydroxyl ion. इसी तरह 3-degree amine reaction होता है water से. It forms trialkyl ammonium hydroxide and form hydroxyl ion, and this is the cation. The aqueous solution of amines behave like ammonium hydroxide and give ferric hydroxide precipitate with ferric chloride and blue solution with copper sulfate. Solution these एल्किल अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, जैसा कि यहाँ पे बताया, वो फेरिक क्लोराइड से रिएक्शन करके ब्राउन प्रेसिपिटेट ऑफ फेरिक हाइड्रोक्साइड देता है. दिस रिएक्शन शोज द बेसिक कैरेक्टर ऑफ एमीन्स, और इस रिएक्शन में सॉल्ट फॉर्मेशन होता है. रिएक्शन विद एल्किल हैलाइड, दिस रिएक्शन इज नोन एज एल्काइलेशन. The hydrogen atom of the amino group are successively replaced by the alkyl groups when amines are treated with alkyl halides. Finally, tertiary amines adds one more molecule of alkyl halide to form a quaternary compounds. Like primary amine or NH2 reacts with alkyl halide, it forms secondary amine. And this reacts again with alkyl halides is formed tertiary amines, and it reacts again alkyl halide to form quaternary salt. For example, ethylamine reacts with ethyl bromide to form diethylamine NH-HBr. This diethylamine or 2-degree amine reacts with again ethyl bromide to form triethylamine. This is the 3-degree amine, and this reacts again with ethyl bromide to form tetraethyl ammonium chloride. This is the quaternary ammonium bromide. Quaternary ammonium halides on treatment with moist silver oxide or methanolic KOH are converted into their corresponding hydroxide, which are strongly basic as NaOH or KOH. Like this, quaternary ammonium halides reacts with moist silver hydroxide, form quaternary ammonium hydroxide and AgS. Now, aromatic amines. The common aromatic amines is 1-degree amine, that is aniline. Aromatic amines also undergo similar reactions. For example, when aniline is heated with excess of methyl halide under pressure, form a mixture of secondary, tertiary and quaternary salt. Now, reaction is here. Aniline reacts with methyl iodide. When heated, it forms N-methylene, aniline and hydrogen iodide. Now 2-degree aniline, N-methyl aniline, like this. 2-degree aniline, 2R group R and a aryl group जुड़ा है. Reacts with methyl iodide. When heated, it forms NN dimethyl aniline. And this NN dimethyl aniline, which is 3-degree aniline, reacts with methyl iodide. When heated, it forms a quaternary salt, that is trimethyl anilinium iodide. With methyl iodide, the process is commonly known as exhaustive methylation. Now reaction with acid chloride and acid anhydride. This is the acylation or acetylation. Hydrogen atom of amino group by the process of replacement of hydrogen atom of amino group by acyl, that is RC double bond O group, is called acylation. Acylation occurs with aliphatic amines. Since aliphatic amines themselves are bases, the acetylation is usually carried out in absence of a base. Now, acid chlorides or acid anhydride reacts with primary amines and form N-substituted amides. Like this, 1-degree amine reacts with acid chloride, COCl group present होगा alkyl group के साथ. तो ये acid chloride, it forms N-substituted amide. This is RNHC double bond O R dash, unsubstituted amide and HCl. For example, ethylamine reacts with acetyl chloride. This is acetyl chloride. It forms this type of compound known as N-ethyl acetamide and HCl. Now, ethenamine reacts with acetic anhydride. It forms N-ethyl ethenamide, this compound, and acetic acid. Now, secondary amine reacts with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride to form N-disubstituted amides. 2-degree amine reacts with acid chloride to form N-disubstituted amide like this. Now, diethylamine, for example, reacts with acetyl chloride to form N-diethyl acetamide and HCl. Tertiary amines do not react since they do not have replaceable hydrogen on nitrogen. Therefore, all these above reactions are used to distinguish between primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. Now, reaction with aromatic amines. Aniline reacts with acid chloride or acid anhydride in presence of a catalyst to form corresponding amides called anylides. Since aromatic amines are less basic, the catalyst like pyridine base, which remove HCl formed during the reaction and shift the equilibrium in the forward direction. इस तरह से एनिलीन रिएक्ट्स विद एसिटिल क्लोराइड इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ pyridine and heated, it forms N-phenyl acetamide, that is acid anilide. And aniline reacts with acetic anhydride in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid or pyridine or acetic acid. It forms acid anilide like this. This is the structure of acid anilide, and acetic acid also form. But benzoylation refers to the replacement of hydrogen of imino group by benzoyl group. Primary or secondary amines reacts with benzoyl chloride C6H5COCl in the presence of base like pyridine or aqueous NaOH to form benzoyl derivatives like this. Ethylamine reacts with benzoyl chloride in presence of base catalyst is formed N-ethyl benzamide. Now, aniline reacts with benzoyl chlorides in presence of NaOH. It forms N-phenyl benzamide or benzoanilide. Benzoylation of compound containing active hydrogen atoms such as alcohols, phenols, or amines with benzoyl chloride in presence of dilute aqueous solution is called Schotten-Baumann reaction. Then this reaction is called Schotten-Baumann reaction. Now, carbyl-amine reaction. This is most important reaction of amines. The reaction is shown by only primary amines, both aliphatic and aromatic. Primary amines on heating with chloroform in presence of alcoholic solution of KOH form isocyanides or carbyl amines, which possess very bad smell. This is a test of primary amines and is used to distinguish primary amines from secondary and tertiary amine. Secondary and tertiary amine does not give this reaction. Alkylamine reacts with chloroform and alcoholic KOH. When heated, is formed alkyl isocyanide RNC, and with it is also formed 3 KCl and KCl and H2O. For example, ethylamine reacts with chloroform and alcoholic KOH. When heated, it forms C2H5 and triple bond C. Triple bond में दो covalent bond है, एक coordinate bond. This is known as ethyl isocyanide or ethyl carbyl amine. This reaction is known as carbyl amine reaction. And also KCl and H2O is formed. Now, aromatic amines, aniline reacts with chloroform and alcoholic KOH. When heated, it forms phenyl isocyanide, 3-KCl and H2O. This is phenyl carbyl amine. Now, reaction with aldehydes and ketones, compounds containing C double bond O, या CO bond. Both aliphatic as well as aromatic aldehydes reacts with primary amines in presence of trace of an acid as catalyst to form azomethanes called Schiff base or anyls. Schiff base or anyls. This is the Schiff base formation reaction. But degree amine, when reacts with aldehyde, it forms aldimine. This is the Schiff. This is known as Schiff base. For example, ethylamine reacts with acetaldehyde. It forms acylidene ethylamine. This is known as Schiff base and H2O. Ethylamine reacts with acetone. It forms isopropylidene ethylamine. Aniline condenses with aromatic aldehyde to form anyls or Schiff base, even in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. This is aniline reacts with benzaldehyde, CHO group. In presence of zinc chloride, it loses water and forms benzyl aniline. This is known as Schiff base. Aromatic Schiff base, उससे पहले जो दिखाया वो aliphatic था. And this is also known as benzylidene aniline. Schiff base on hydrolysis yields aniline again. The reaction is implied to protect the amino group during nitration. But when reduced, it forms secondary aniline. Schiff base reacts with hydrogen in presence of nickel. It forms N-benzyl aniline. This is the 2-degree amine. Aldehyde and ketones that have alpha hydrogen atoms reacts with secondary amines to form stable alpha beta unsaturated amines called enamines. For example, aldehyde or ketone 2-degree amine से रिएक्शन होता है तो बेंजीन की प्रेजेंस में या PTS it forms enamine. The structure of enamine is like this. PTS is para-toluene sulfonic acid. यहाँ पे PTS था, इसका ये पूरा नाम यहाँ पे. The double bond in enamines can also be categorically reduced to corresponding amines. Now reaction with nitrous acid. The 3 classes of amines, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, react differently with nitrous acid. Since nitrous acid is unstable, as you know, it is prepared in situ by the action of sodium nitrite and dilute hydrochloric acid, Na2 plus HCl. Nitrous acid is a source of electrophilic nitrosonium ion, On plus or O double bond N plus, which reacts with amines. अब अलग अलग एमीन से कैसे रिएक्शन होता है विद प्राइमरी एमीन. Aromatic primary amines reacts with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin in ice cooled solution to form arene diazonium salt like this. सबसे पहले क्या होता है, NaNO2 और HCl का रिएक्शन होता है तो नाइट्रस एसिड बनता है और ये नाइट्रस एसिड एनिलीन से रिएक्शन करता है इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ HCl at 273 to 278 Kelvin. It forms benzene diazonium chloride. N double triple bond NCl जब लगा होगा तो ये क्या है, diazonium salt and name of this compound is benzene diazonium chloride and water. Now aniline reacts with NaNO2 in presence of H2SO4 at this temperature. It forms N triple bond NHSO4. This is benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. This reaction of converting aromatic amines into diazonium salt with its strong nitrous acid with nitrous acid NaNO2 plus HCl in ice cooled solution at temperature 5 degrees centigrade is called diazotization. So this reaction is known as diazotization. ये दोनों ही रिएक्शन डाइएजोटाइजेशन कराते हैं जिसमें डाइएजोनियम सॉल्ट बनता है जी ठीक ये रिएक्शन या ये दोनों ही रिएक्शन these are the diazotized reaction. तो फर्स्ट रिएक्शन इसमें डाइएजोटाइज रिएक्शन है इसको भी हम कह सकते हैं क्योंकि डाइएजोनियम का साल्ट यहाँ पे बन रहा है डाइएजोनियम क्लोराइड से. नाउ if however the temperature increase above 278 kelvin the initially formed diazonium salt decompose to form phenol. तो टेम्परेचर को हमको 278 के नीचे ही रखना होगा पहले के रिएक्शन में यानी डाइएजोटाइजेशन रिएक्शन में तब हम नहीं और टेम्परेचर बढ़ा देने पे क्या होगा कि फिनॉल बन जाएगा बेंजीन डाइएजोनियम क्लोराइड वाटर से रिएक्शन करके डिकम्पोज हो जाएगा और फिनॉल नाइट्रोजन और HCl देगा. Now aliphatic primary amines on the other hand form alcohol with cold nitrous acid. Nitrogen gas is eliminated. 1 degree amine reacts with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid कहाँ से मिलेगा NaNO2 और HCl के रिएक्शन से. तो यहाँ बनता है अल्कोहल नाइट्रोजन और वाटर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ethylamine reacts with nitrous acid. It forms unstable compound which on hydrolysis gives ethanol plus ethene plus nitrogen or H2O. Now methylamine is an exception to this reaction. With excess of nitrous acid, methylamine does not yield methyl alcohol only, but the other product may be formed as methyl nitrite or diethyl ether. For example, methylamine reacts with nitrous acid. Excess of nitrous acid is formed methyl nitrite, nitrogen and water. And methylamine reacts with excess of जब नॉर्मल वॉल्यूम होगा नॉर्मल जो क्वांटिटी होगी HNO2 की तब एथिलेमीन क्या बनाएगी डाई मेथिल ईथर नाइट्रोजन और वाटर. Now secondary amines, both aliphatic and aromatic secondary amines reacts with nitrous acid to give N-nitrosamine which are water insoluble and separate out as a yellow oily layer. तो second degree amine reacts with nitrous acid to form nitrous acid के लिए वही NaNO2 plus HCl के रिएक्शन से बनाएंगे इसको. तो ये इस तरह का कंपाउंड बनता है N-nitrosodialkyl amines and H2O. Now example diethylamine reacts with nitrous acid to form N-nitrosodiethylamine. This is the yellow oil layer बनती है H2O के ऊपर. Now aromatic compounds N-methyl aniline reacts with nitrous acid. It forms N-methyl aniline that is यही होता है जो येलो ऑयल की लेयर बनती है. Now nitrosamine on warming with phenol and a few drops of concentrate H2SO4 give a brown or red color which soon changes to blue-green. The color changes to red on dilution and further changes to blue or violet with alkali. This color change is referred to Lieberman's nitroso reaction and is used for the test of secondary amines. Now tertiary amines, aliphatic tertiary amines reacts with nitrous acid to form nitrite salt, which are soluble in water. These salts on heating gives alcohol and nitrosamine. 3-degree amine reacts with nitrous acid to form these types of compound trialkyl ammonium nitrite. When this when on heat जब इसको गर्म करते हैं तो एल्कोहल और नाइट्रोसो एमाइन बनता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल triethylamine reacts with nitrous acid, it forms triethyl ammonium nitrite, which is soluble in water. While aromatic tertiary amines undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction in the ring of to form para-nitrosamines. For example, N-dimethyl aniline reacts with nitrous acid to form para-nitroso, इस तरह से compound para-nitroso N-dimethyl aniline. This compounds show green color. This reaction, nitrous acid test, is used to make distinction between primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Now reaction with carbon disulfide. Primary amines reacts with carbon disulfide to form alkyl derivatives of dithiocarbamic acid, which is decomposed by mercuric chloride to give alkyl isothiocyanate. This is Halfman mustard oil reaction and is used as a test for primary amines. Now primary amine reacts with heated with carbon disulfide. It forms alkyl dithiocarbamic acid. It reacts with HgCl2 to form alkyl isothiocyanate, RNC double bond S. जैसे O में आइसोसाइनेट बनता है या आइसोथायोसाइनेट हो जाएगा. दिस इज द मस्टर्ड ऑयल. दिस कंपाउंड हैव ए smell of mustard oil and also form HgS and HCl. For example, ethylamine, when heated with carbon disulfide, it forms ethyl dithiocarbamic acid. ये compound. This reacts with mercury chloride to form ethyl isothiocyanate plus black precipitate of HgS and HCl. But this test is not shown by aniline. Secondary amines forms dialkyl of dithiocarbamic acid, which is not decomposed by mercuric chloride. तो secondary amine कार्बन डाइसल्फाइड के साथ रिएक्शन करके डाइएल्किल थायोकार्बाइन बनाता है, which does not reacts with mercuric chloride. However, aromatic primary amines reacts in different manner. When aniline is heated with ethanolic carbon disulfide and solid KOH, it forms NN-diphenylthiourea, which upon treatment with concentrate HCl gives phenyl isothiocyanate. Now, aniline reacts with carbon disulfide in presence of ethyl alcohol and KOH or alcoholic KOH. It forms NN-diphenylthiourea, and this when react with concentrate HCl, N-N-diphenylthiourea reacts with concentrate HCl, it forms phenyl isothiocyanate and aniline hydrochloride. NN-diphenylthiourea is used as an accelerator during vulcanization of rubber. This is the use of this compound NN-diphenylthiourea. NN-diphenylthiourea is used as an accelerator during vulcanization of rubber. So these are the some important reactions of amines, both aromatic and aliphatic. तो physical and chemical properties of amine इस क्लास में डिस्कस हुई. अभी और भी केमिकल रिएक्शंस हैं जो हम अगले क्लास में इस पे डिस्कस करेंगे।